Hey Satanity family, welcome back to another video.
Today we bring you an authentic Ouija session exploring
The spirit of the tribal garden. So guys, we're out here putting our lives in danger for this type of content. And the least you can do is smash that like button and obviously subscribe.
obviously. And also 500 likes and Steven and I will do an overnight session in this very spirit garden. But till then, let's get back to the session.
The spirit of the tribal garden. Are you with us here today?
Oh my god. Would you be open to communicate with us?
Guys, wait. I think the spirit is a bit malevolent. But don't worry, we'll get all the answers tonight.
Do you think is that a good idea? A-I-L-L
Kill?
Wait a minute, it's still going on. S-T-E-V-E-N. Kill Steven? My god, we need to end this session right now.
Guys, the spirit is uncontrollable. We should have never opened the lines of communication.
Cut the video.
Wow, that's quite dramatic.
मैं तो कह ही रहा हूँ, bro. If there's anything in this house, the board is going to catch us.
Yes, exactly. यही हमारा star player, the most successful of all time.
Okay then, let's do it.
Ready, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, बढ़िया फिर. व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे देते हैं. तो एक बार पहले व्यूअर्स को अपनी सिचुएशन समझा दो, bro.
Understood. So about 2 weeks ago, मैंने लाइफ में पहली बार स्लीप वॉकिंग एक्सपीरियंस किया था, or if that's what you can call it.
What do you mean?
Every other night, I would sleep in my room, and I would end up in an empty room on my terrace. When I was sleepwalking, I wasn't exactly asleep. It was more like a state of paralysis. Every night I would walk up the stairs, my eyes wide open, surrounded by darkness, and I had zero control of my body.
But why do you think there's a paranormal involvement in your case, bro?
No, I don't think. I know. So about last week, I tried to resist. I tried to get my control back. But that's when I saw it. Right at the corner of my eye. A dark figure, about 6-7 feet tall. It walked up to me. I could hear its low growl whispering in my ear. I can still practically feel its warm breath on my neck. And that's when I gave up. Stop resisting. And let it take control of my body once again. Okay then. Let's do it.
Take a second. Before we begin, there are some rules of engagement.
Rule number 1. Never attempt the Ouija board alone.
Number 2, do not lift your finger in the middle of a session.
Number 3. Never leave the planchette unattended on the board.
4, never physically invite the entity.
Always respect the entity.
Do not play in the cemetery.
Rule number 7. The final and the most important one. Never end the session without saying goodbye.
Yeah, understood. अब शुरू करें?
Is there any entity in this room willing to communicate with us?
रिची भाई आप पूछना एक बार.
Is there any entity in this room who would like to communicate with us?
Are you the one who's been toying with Richie?
No.
So, Satanity family, we have come up with a two-step plan for a thorough investigation. Jerry?
Guys, before we start, तुम लोगों का स्टैमिना कैसा है?
क्या मतलब? बेड में?
No, in general. Like, do you guys get exhausted quickly? मतलब, if the situation truly calls for it and it's life-threatening, फिर तो शायद investigation ही बहुत लंबी चलेगी.
रिची कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमने 18 घंटों से भी लंबी इन्वेस्टिगेशंस करी है, तो आई थिंक वी आर गुड ऑन दैट स्टेमिना थिंग.
Nice. Means you have a healthy heart.
Anyways, take redo करना पड़ेगा हमें. So, we've come up with a two-step plan.
Yes, so first we'll start by using a more traditional method, the Ouija board.
That wooden board toy? No way that actually works, right?
No way, this is real. भाई ये सब बकवास है भाई.
Hey, what have you done?
Oh my god.
वो तुझे literally अब भी रूल समझाए थे bro.
I'm sorry भाई, I'm sorry. मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया अपने आप
रिची
को.
यार, एक सेकंड प्लीज.
Bro, good shit bro.
Yeah, man, you moved that perfectly.
Huh?
प्लानचेट तूने लाया ना?
What? नहीं मैंने नहीं लाया.
मैंने भी नहीं लाया.
What?
What? मैंने नहीं लाया.
Bro, मैंने भी नहीं लाया.
What are you saying, bro?
Bro, what I'm saying is कि प्लानचेट मैंने हिलाया ही नहीं.
I didn't move it. Richie didn't move it. तो प्लानचेट किसने हिलाया? तो कह रहा है कि हमने आज असलियत में भूत देख लिया.
That's literally not what I'm saying, bro.
What was that? प्लानचेट कहाँ था?
On the board,
Unattended.
unattended.
That was crazy.
Yeah, bro, that was so crazy.
क्या?
क्या cool shit थी, bro?
कूल शिट मतलब हमने उस आदमी को 7 रूल्स दिए जिसमें से 3 वो ऑलरेडी तोड़ चुका है. A demon probably wants us dead.
Probably. लेकिन एस्टेस से कंफर्म करना तो बनता है.
We are not doing.
The Estes method.
So assuming our Ouija board is successful, we'll move on to a more intensive method of investigation to have our interaction flow further.
एक सेकेंड, फ्लो से याद आया. How much do you all pee?
Excuse me?
वो कुछ नहीं, I was just setting up a room for you guys, and I was wondering if you wanted the room with the connected bathroom or the bigger one.
The connected bathroom, bro.
Nice. Means those kidneys are doing their job, am I right?
So anyways, अब take redo करना पड़ेगा भाई. So now we're going to put on noise cancelling headphones and then run radio frequencies through it and then try to get the entity to manipulate the radio waves to form some words.
Steven भाई ये मजाक नहीं है. We saw some real paranormal activity today.
और हम paranormal investigators हैं, bro.
No, हम real paranormal investigators नहीं हैं. हम real paranormal investigators नहीं हैं.
This is our chance to be real. तू समझ क्यों नहीं रहा, bro? यही तो हमारा मौका है. Let's get this shit.
रिची भाई आप कंफर्टेबल हो ना?
मैं तुम लोगों को ट्रस्ट नहीं करता भाई.
करने दे भाई जेरी. He seems to be a bit more connected to the spirit. रिची, आवाज आ रही है? Perfect. Is the spirit still in this room with us? Is the spirit we just talked to still present here?
speaking. Who are you? Are you trapped in here? Lives here. Happy. Do you have a name? Why are you here? Body. Survive. Why him? He's weak. Exploit. Easily.
What do you want from Richie?
Organs. Puppet. Want control.
Is there anything that we can do to help him?
You deceit. You fabricate. You fraud. 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 Fraud.
तो ये है हमारी मेन अट्रैक्शन, द हॉन्टेड रूम।
ब्रो वो ना हम जज कर लेंगे। जरी यार वो कॉर्नर सही लग रहा है। हाँ
Okay.
और अब लाइव फीड शुरू हो जानी चाहिए। एंड बढ़िया। जेरी ब्रो ये क्या था?
Was that enough for you या तुझे और कुछ चाहिए अभी?
यार मुझे थोड़ी पता था सबको इतना सीरियस हो जाएगा ब्रो।
You know what? We are out of here right now.
या ब्रो।
ना मैन, मैं तो नहीं जा रहा।
किसी को तो जाना पड़ेगा ना ब्रो।
किसी को तो जाना पड़ेगा मतलब? ये सब तूने स्टार्ट किया था तो तू ही जाएगा।
तू कब से इतना रोने लगा ब्रो? पिची 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 ब्रो।
स्टीवन, स्टीवन, Steven? Steven, is that you? Steven? 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 Steven?
When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body.
I've got your 2 healthy hearts and the 4 kidneys you asked for.
Perfect. We'll go ahead and 60K on delivery. Good doing business with you.
Yeah. One in the hand, one in the bag, bubbling. Look at the cash coming in. Come get your man, this little nigga bugging me. Just see the bag, quit all that jaw jackery. Don't even pass me that, I don't want none of it. These niggas mad about it, had enough of it. Whoa, watch what you saying, how that poppin' and shaking. Got me hot as a laser, my posse deep and irate. And we act a fool for the paper. Had a dream and I made it. El Camino on Dayton's, bitches guess over bait. Put the bread on the bitch, bitch you bet on my bacon. Big and flat in the bacon, I might just roll out today. I might just roll out to Vegas, head back to my old ways. Cop a roof full of Asian hoes and we blow all day. Look at me, baby. Look at me, baby. Don't I look like a million? I'm about to clean out the safe. Don't I look like somebody that just be bodying everything? All that talking is great, but I don't be talking. I air it out. All the problems have gotten easy to bury. I'd rather drown them in him.